Hey guys, welcome back. Now we are testing another part of the DRAIMS project. What you see here is the exe you can execute, and you have a software panel. So you can use it software side, and it has an hardware side where you can switch only to display mode. I show you there. So let's start the DRAIMS. Oh, it takes long, the self-test screen. Okay, here we are. When you click on the display, you can see, you can pop it out and you can move it. Currently it has an resolution from 800 to 600, I think, or smaller. But later I add a command that you can stretch it and take it smaller. So you see here there are many changes. The VHF is the same as before. So let's take a look in the ATC. We have ATC, TCAS mode, ATC mode, TCAS display mode, Alt RPG, ident, standby. So you can switch here to every mode. When you switch from ATC mode standby to auto, on the indicator the standby switches to squawk 1. When you switch to transponder 2, it switches to squawk 2. Is it great? So you can change the squawk inside the ATC panel when you're clicking the L4 button, and now you can turn in your squawk, pressing L4 again. Now it's saved. So it's cool. So let's take a look on the VHF page. Now you see there's squawk 1 and the code is green. Green says it's on auto mode. When you switch it back to standby, it goes white. When you click ident button, then it's transmitting ID for WASM, eval, etc. So when you turned on ATC mode on auto, and it says squawk 1, only go to VHF page. You can switch TCAS modes, you can see here, and you switch here. So currently the mode is on standby. See here, TCAS mode is standby, and the TCAS display mode is great. So when you turn on standby, now you're on TRA on TRIT, or you go to normal, or you go above, below. You can switch every mode you want. EA, standby. You can turn on the VHF as before. When you didn't select the audio volume button, a crossed speaker pops up and failure. Same on VHF 2. VHF 1 will be resetted, and VHF 2 comes up. When you press the volume button, failure pops out, and the loudspeaker is here. So the next pages will be the HF page, Tell page, menu page. There you can choose your connected device. So you can use ProSim, Jeehell, MSFS. It depends on you what you want to use. And after that, the nav page is coming too. But currently, I take focus on VHF, ATC, menu, and HF. So stand by. I'll be back shortly. Thank you very much. Choo-choo.